Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Crimi-Trent. Today I'm going to show you how to paint these loose watercolor roses. So let's get started. Okay, to get started I have my Arches cold press 100% cotton watercolor paper. I have various size brushes, I'll mention those. I have my palette here with various pinks and greens. I also use often these Japanese watercolors, Kuretake watercolors. You can find them on Amazon. And of course, my water containers and paper towel. So let's get started. This wet on wet technique of flowers. Okay, I'm going to use, starting with a Grumbacher number 10 golden edge brush. Right here. And I'm just going to wet the paper like so. Just all over various spots. Get a little damp. I'm going to grab a real deep dark pinkish red. Medium concentration, not too wet, not too concentrated. Just going to dab it there. Start moving around it. Same thing over here. Just dabbing it and then pushing the paint, as you can see. Leaving little white spaces. I'm kind of fixing the edges of this one over here because it's very veiny, like spider veinish. And then I'm going to do something over here. Dot in the middle, some lines around. Now they'll bleed. Keep leaving some white spaces. Push those little veins. Just down and push. And this one kind of looks more of a blob. I'm going to layer it a little more. I'm going to add some more of that deep pink. Even deeper. Almost like a pinkish purple. I'm going to add a little black to that pink. Get even darker still. As you can see, I'm just making dots. Now I'm going to go in and grab some green. It's going to be more of a yellow, olive type green. Mix that. I make some yellow with some medium green, maybe a little brown. Go onto here, kind of push down, pull back. Something over here, push down, pull up, and try and make sort of leaf shapes. And here, it all makes sense eventually. Going in. If it's bleeding in here, push it out. And now this way, we're going to do a little, well, sorry, blob, but just some lines. We might want to pick that up with the brush, like a mop. That's doing the blob thing. It's too wet over there. So we're going to pick that up again. Might have to wait till that dries a bit. It's a little too wet. Over here, got to use a deeper green here. Just dotting it. Gonna add a little black to that. Oh, there's a hair that flew in there. This is live tutorial. Just dabbing the black in there. I'm still doing that spider vein thing. So I'm gonna push that and soften it going over here, giving the separation of the leaves. Okay, I'm gonna add on that. Gonna put some dark over here. And a little black. Push that down. Try and take some away that's hitting the pink. Now from here, it's still wet in here, but I'm gonna grab some of that Hooker's green and add a little black to that. Try to make some lines shooting out. This I'm going to make a little more concentrated. It's muting too much. Yeah, still not doing it what I want to do. It's getting there, but not quite. Shooting some lines. Bad. I'm going to add some brown over here. This would be like a burnt umber. Just in those edges. And then water it down up here. Push it around over here. And then I'm going to take a piece of paper towel. I'm going to dab it. Take some of it away. Okay, at this point, we're going to let it dry either naturally, or if you want to speed up the process, use a hairdryer or a heating tool. So I'm going to stop that and do that. Okay, I've let it dry. Not completely let it dry, but let it dry. And now I'm going to add some of that pink back in. Going to dilute it. Pushing down some lines. Trying to create that rose. I'm leaving spaces around where the pale pink is. Just making petals in the back. I don't know if you can see that well because the light is, there we go. It's a little dark right there. Grab some more dark and a little way more concentrated. Just doing little dabs. Let's see, like that. Kind of concentrating it more on one section, not all around. Leaving this a little looser on top. Maybe if that's a little too serious, you want to just push it with the water and the brush like a mop and get rid of it. So it's really just a concentrated color on one side. And we'll do the same thing down here. Just pushing down, pulling up, leaving spaces for the light pink, putting some dark in there. Again, really just concentrating on one section. You can go all the way around if you want, but I just think that then you're losing that whole loose feel, and it looks more like a serious rose. Letting this bleed out a little bit to here. pushing that. And I'm going to go for that one. Three lines, and then taking some water, and then taking some more concentrated color. You're kind of playing around with the concentration you want to be. I think I'm going to add a little black to that. It's just going to give it some more depth. It's still kind of doing that spider vein thing, so I'm going to add some more concentrated color. And then over here, I've cleaned my brush and I add a little water to it, pushing it out here, something out here. Okay, and here I might want a little darker, so I'm going to add real concentrated deep red, a touch of black. Same thing goes for here. Okay, I'm going to go back to the petals again. Deep hooker's green. Might want to add a little black to that. Just going to do the bottom of this rose. Try and get to the edge of it. Come around here. If you want, you can add some black to that. Get it even darker. Just dabbing it. Same thing with this. Pushing down and pulling up. Pushing down on that brush, pulling up. And towards the rose, I'll add some more concentrated dark green and some black. It starts to bleed into the wet part of the rose. You can clean off your brush, put it on the paper towel, and push the color away like that. And when it dries, you can add back in the deep red, like so. So it's not bleeding too much into it. Gonna add that medium olive green, a little more concentrated. It's looking a little too yellowish. Gonna add some brown. And a little more hooker's green to it. Still kind of yellow tones, but that's all right. And we're just adding some fun petals. Now I'm taking the brown and going in here, adding blobs that are kind of like petals. Get that green back on here again. Going around that and pushing it out and making another pillow. Underneath this part, give it some of that darker tones. Just dabbing it. Maybe a little brown because it doesn't make sense with the color. Come in here and add some of that. Let it bleed through. Same thing here. Over in here, down in here, and here. Now this part, see there's a little strange like white area here. I might want to put some color in here. Sometimes you have to step away from your painting and see what's missing. But a great tool for that is using your camera or your phone camera. Since I'm filming, I can look at my camera on my phone and I can see, I didn't like that space. You know, so that's how you can tell if you're missing something. Some people use, my dad uses a magnifying glass. A lot of artists, the old school, do that. Now I'm going to add some petals to these little like thorn branches down here and down here and over here. Some more that green, and I think I'll add some bright pink over here, loose, that pink. Give it like a bud. And over here too. A little bud over here. And then up here, I'm gonna add like a brown branch. Oh, looks a little too green. I have to add some black to that. Oh, excuse me. See what happens? Real time. This is not this is not a fancy production. This is the real deal, people. And then I'm gonna add a little black to that. A little black. That black just pulls everything out, doesn't it? Just gives it more depth. Yeah, there you go. Loose roses. My version, anyway. Play with it, have fun with it. This is not a serious medium, which is fantastic. I love watercolor. If you really enjoy my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I work hard at these, you know, to show you what I'm working on these days. And I hope you enjoyed it. So thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.